Hello, today we will try to understand the difference between waterfall and agile methodology. In waterfall, software development is divided into distinct phases. Waterfall methodology is quite rigid. In waterfall, software development is done as one single big project. The methodology is ideal for projects which have definite requirements and changes are not at all expected. Waterfall methodology reduces the risk in firm fixed price contracts by getting risk agreement at the beginning of the process. Let's now learn what is agile methodology. Twin with a spec? Yeah, a twin with a spec. Let me tell them what's agile methodology. So agile represents or separates the project development life cycle into small sprints. Agile methodology is very flexible, unlike your waterfall. Agile is considered as a collection of many different small projects. Agile development is a process in which the requirements are expected to change and evolve as we do the development. Agile methodology works exceptionally well with time and materials or non-fixed funding projects. Hope you got the difference between this waterfall and mine agile.